So now let's see how we can work with color temperature inside of GIMP. So in order to work around with color temperature, I need to go around over here onto the colors menu, and over here you can see that color temperature is an option. So if I were to go around over here, then you can see the temperature right here. So this is the original temperature. So you can go around and change this out. And you can see that you can make it more blue or make it more yellow right here. That is, make it more warm or make it more cool right here, depending on what you need. Apart from that, you can go around and change the intended temperature right here. So you can go around, make it more warm and cool right here, just like this as well, by changing this around. So you can make it more warm and cool right here. So apart from that, you can also go around and utilize the blending mode right here to mirror up the temperature right here, or work around with screen and so forth right here, and change around the blending for the temperature as you like as well, just like this. And you can go around and change it out right here with the original image. So you can also work around with the opacity of the temperature, as you can see right here, to change around the amount and see the preview right here, see the before and after, and utilize the split view, as you can see, just like this as well. Let me just go around over here on to replace itself right here, just like this, change around the opacity a bit, and let's say this is the temperature I want. Then I can simply go around and press OK, and the temperature is applied. So that is how you can work around with color temperature inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.